Alright, so I should have been vlogging this whole time. It is, where's my phone? February 15th. You know I live in Houston. This is what we woke up to. The whole, you know, neighborhood and everything. Think about it though. Right at 8 o'clock, our lights went out. It is now, what time did I just tell y'all? 2:15. It's now 2:15. It's cold as fuck in this house. I have leggings with sweats on top, 2 pairs of socks, and then with the 2 pairs of socks, I have on 2 shirts, this a hoodie. I have a bandana on under the hoodie, under the beanie, I mean. I like the cold. I actually like the cold. I don't like this shit. I don't like this shit. But this ain't got nothing else to do. I'm gonna go around and I guess like interview everybody in the house. Cause what else is there to do? Hey, so doing an interview right now.
Huh?
Doing an interview right now.
Interview for what?
How do you feel about what's going on?
You want the real answer or you want the answer?
The real answer.
Well,
Don't want the answer for YouTube. No, the real answer.
niggas ignorant. I'll always start with that.
Okay. Let me get over here to get you some better lighting while you do your thing.
Yeah, niggas ignorant. And I say that because, you know, this thing called global warming. Y'all think this is something. Wait till it get too hot in the summer. That's all I'm gonna say.
And that's his thoughts on that.
Now you thinking, huh?
Who, me?
Yeah.
No.
Niggas gonna be in the house butt ass naked. Cause the heat getting too hot and the AC ain't working. Just like how the heat ain't working right now. Yeah,
Damn.
I was trying to, yeah.
This one's still frozen?
I was about to open it and bust the thing.
God dang.
Because at one point today, I'm going to sit outside. Because I went outside, I said, Mom, now you see why I moved to a state where it actually snow, right? She said, yeah, I can see that. Yeah, you can. That's magnificent.
Yeah, it is, but like when people don't know how to act about it.
See if I can.
It's on the screen.
This frozen.
Screen not gonna come out. Oh, it came out.
I ain't gonna let that bitch melt in here though. I was wondering if I could step on that bitch.
Nah. Top of the roof.
That's nice. It's low key melting though.
Is it?
Yeah, like where.
Oh yeah, it is. Because it was covered. It was covered in the streets and everything.
But it's because a couple people left.
Cause what?
A couple people drove through. Like the firemen. And the fire truck patrolling.
They had a fire truck patrolling?
Yeah.
When your mom was outside?
Earlier before that.
Oh. Well, that's his take. Let me show y'all. Did you see Mom? How she laid in the bed? Let's see. She's probably gonna yell at me because she ain't presentable. Is she asleep? Oh, she's asleep. I'm vlogging because I have nothing else to do. I was coming to get y'all's take on how y'all feel right now.
It sucks.
How many blankets are you under?
About 3. And then I have on some long johns.
So what?
Pajamas,
What are long johns, Mom?
thermals, pajamas, and then some sweatpants.
Poor Terry looking at the TV like it's gonna come on any second.
In my mind, it's on.
Oh Lord, he done lost it.
You have nothing to say. You sat here and said the internet off as if the power ain't been off for 6 hours.
Oh my God.
You said the internet's off. Yeah, it's been off, Mom. Hey, do you even know where my stuff is at? My games. Okay. They're not up there. She's upstairs. They're right here. But yeah, I don't know what to do at this point. I'm gonna step aside. So this is what we're dealing with right now. I'm going to try not to slip with y'all on the phone on here, but cars are starting to finally thaw out because mine was covered earlier. You can tell like certain sides, like which way the wind's blowing. Like, do y'all see this? Like, this is not no like just ice. Like this is powder snow. But like on our side, there's a lot more snow house-wise than that side. But they have a lot more snow on their roofs and things like that. But yeah, I'm not too sure if this is open. It is not. I should have brought my key. But yeah, so let me not fall. This is what we're dealing with right now. And it came in last night like 1, 2 in the morning. And I think it's like 16 degrees right now. Yeah. My key about to get in the car. Cause I mean, might as well. I'm listening to music now. But I might as well listen to it, you know. Like, people are actually out here driving. Like, I don't understand, y'all. As if there wasn't a pileup a few days ago in Fort Worth. And a pileup, multiple pileups last night. Y'all are still out here driving. But I'm gonna hold y'all like this. Because I'm not about to bust my ass. Because this right here, this is somewhat slippery. Until you get to a part that has more. Like this part here. This part's good. Gosh. I hate to open this early. Hope it opens easy. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so it's definitely melted. I'll let me not lie. I was gonna say I was gonna insert a clip for you guys from me this morning when I first came out. And it was I don't know what I'm doing. When I first came out and my door was frozen shut. Like I couldn't open it at all. Well, it started. It's not warm. I'm gonna say it should be warmed up. No, it's not. But I charged my portable some earlier. I have not had to use it. But I definitely didn't charge it all the way. So I low-key was tired as fuck. So I went back to sleep. But since we're out here, I might as well sit out here and do this. My dad just texted me. He's doing the same thing, actually. Our messages aren't sending, like, okay, this is the thing. It would be different if, okay, power's out. Okay, cool. So I'm thinking power's out, just charge your phone, watch stuff on your phone, FaceTime, call people, text, that stuff. No, you can't even do that. Our signal is not working. Like, our signal is not working. Like, going very, very slow. What is the point of having cellular service if it's not gonna work? So does that mean like when we're driving around we're just connecting to like Wi-Fi and we don't know we're connecting to Wi-Fi? Like, now I'm curious. But let me send this as a text message so he'll get it. My dad just sent me this. Talk about charging up. He got 1, 2, 3 portables. He over there set. I'm not too sure if you guys can See, there you go, a little better. He got like 3 portables over there. His iPad charging. That's another thing. My mom has signal on her iPad. Here's a Jeep. They have the right cars to be doing what they're doing. But they have icicles. They had left earlier when I was outside. They had left earlier. I don't know if they're just like kind of driving around to get out. I feel like if you are gonna drive around, then the safest place to do it is probably your neighborhood. Don't go on no main roads. Don't go outside your neighborhood and stuff. Like, they're driving quick. Hopefully it focuses when they come through here. No, no, no. But there you go, there you go, there you go. They're driving, like, they're coming through going like good 20 miles per hour down the road. Like, unless, and I'll put this aside because I don't mean disrespect nobody, but I feel like the people that are driving or are going out are people that are used to driving around in snow or from other states or anything like that, and they know how to do so. And then, you know, like, some cars have the different modes and stuff like that too. But after seeing like the pile up in Fort Worth, and then I was laying in bed last night about 11 o'clock or so, and I'm like, why am I getting notifications to my phone about I'm thinking it's the weather. No, it's ABC talking about a pile up, 10-car pile up on 45, and then an 8-car pile up on Beltway 8. And I'm like, couldn't be me. I'm sorry. You would not catch me out in this at all. My brother was saying, I don't know if y'all heard him, but he said that they were doing that a fire truck had came through here earlier and was like patrolling. I guess, I don't know what they're patrolling for, because motherfuckers should be inside. Let me stop cussing. But people should be inside or just sitting in their cars and stuff. But I'm like, I don't know. I wonder if they're patrolling, like, if they see you driving, you're gonna get a ticket or something, or just patrolling to make sure nobody's been in a wreck because they know like phones aren't working or something. But yeah, so that's where we're at this point. I'm really just gonna be sitting in here, listening to music. The tree is still frozen, and like I said, y'all can kind of see what's going on. Let's see if we can. Nope, it looks just pure white. Like, it's not focusing on the snow at all. But yeah, that's all snow. You really don't, when I came out here earlier, let me find the picture. When I came out here earlier, you couldn't see the road at all. You couldn't see the road at all. You can see some people's grass, like if it was like tall, like some of our grass is taller and stuff, but you can see some people's grass and stuff like that, but not a lot. Let me see, get this to focus for you guys. Well, you get the point. But yeah, this is just a quick little, I don't know, we're talking about playing games later. We might do that, cause I mean, I don't know what's good. My dad's been, that's what I was gonna say, my dad has been without power since 2 a.m. It's now 2:29 p.m. He's been without power for 12 hours, and now he's sending the car charging stuff. So I know he's in there like getting warm and stuff like that too, but this is crazy. I have a few people, like friends that live in San Antonio, and they got a lot more than we did. We got this for maybe like on and off for like 5-6 hours or so, but they were getting it constantly, like from the afternoon and stuff. And then some people in Fort Worth that I know, and they're like up to their ankles kind of, and that's just crazy because it's Texas. And like my brother said, we ain't gonna go back into that, but I definitely agree with that too. People don't care about the earth, and people don't care about stuff. And this is like, now we're sitting in this in Texas. And they were saying, I saw something on the news like this hasn't happened since 1883 or something like that. That has been like this. Like, our temperature this morning was 12 or 14 degrees and it felt like 0. San Antonio felt like 0, and then Fort Worth felt like -17. I don't know, but I need some scientists to get on that one. Like, they're gonna need to tell me like where I need to go next. Like, is the world like is the earth like tilting to a certain extent now to where we're getting more cold, or I don't know, but I don't like it. And like he said, summer gonna come. Someone's gonna come and it's gonna do the same thing. But it's crazy because it's only like more of the people in the south that's gonna deal with that, because it's gonna get hotter here because it's already hot, and then now the snow, and don't people know how to act. But up north, I feel like it won't get as hot, but if it do, I pray they know how to deal with them, because that. But like I said, I'm just gonna sit here. We might play games earlier. What the? We might play games later, so I might film a little bit of that. Probably not though, because it's just gonna be us sitting there literally moping around playing the games, because I know we're gonna get annoyed at some point. I'm really thinking, oh, don't know why my camera just cut off just by itself. I was like at 8 minutes and it just cut off. I really hope that I was recording this whole time. I'm gonna be very mad if I was not. From the front door to the back. Let me stop. That's not the move. That's not the move. But I know I was trying to pull out some bullet this morning. I just kind of looked at him like, man, it's 10, but ain't nothing else to do. So I'm thinking I might just, when we play games, I might just sip on some wine, because ain't nothing else to do. I mean, but I saw somewhere that you ain't supposed to drink when it's cold, because you lose body heat quicker. So I'm like, I don't, but I know it'll knock me out tonight. So that's why I'm kind of like at both, like maybe not, because I don't know if we're gonna be without power all night, and if so, that is gonna be a hard thing. So I'm not gonna lie to you, your girl afraid of the dark. I'm 22 and I do not like the dark at all. I have some lights that's battery operated. Hopefully my mom has some batteries, but I'm not too sure. But yeah, I'm not too sure when I'm gonna upload this. I might be in Florida by the time I upload this, because I doubt I have any downtime to kind of upload it, unless the lights come on like today type of thing. I'm praying they do, like, oh my gosh. But so I was going to see my boyfriend. Well, I was trying to go Thursday, but from looks of this ground right now, I doubt this is gonna be. I'm pretty sure this is gonna stick around all day today and part of tomorrow. It's supposed to warm up some tomorrow, like 34 or something, but even with it being like that, it'll still stick for a little bit until it starts to, I don't know. I just want it gone. I just want it gone at this point. I wanted it at first and now I don't want it. But I'm just ready for it to be gone at this point, honestly. How many times am I gonna say that? But I wanted to go Wednesday just to be there longer, but probably gonna go Friday. It's really looking like it's gonna be Friday, to be honest with you. But I don't want to bank on that either, because I really want to go and everything, but just like I ain't about to risk my life to be driving like that. And it's more of it's more like in the, well, because it won't be below freezing after tomorrow or during the day or something like that. But I want to be able to go and not have to worry about, oh my god, is the road slick, oh my god, I gotta go over this bridge, I gotta go over that bridge, I gotta go over this bridge and stuff like that, and is it frozen? Because this is happening here in Texas, but like Louisiana is getting it too, and I gotta go through there. So probably won't vlog anymore after this, to be honest with you. I'm probably just gonna, play games. I'm really hoping I get some signal, and I'm trying to download stuff on Disney Plus is what I'm trying to do, which would be amazing if I could download some stuff. Which, oh my gosh, my iPad has stuff downloaded. I don't think I had Sister downloaded on there when I was on a plane, just to watch it, and I had some stuff on Disney Plus on there downloaded, but it is dead, and I just wish I had a charger. And it's the newer iPad, so it's the USB to it's the USB to USB-C is what it is. So we don't have a USB to yeah, that's what I'm needing. I don't have that. I just have USB-C to USB-C. So I was kind of hoping, ooh, I'm getting messages. Oh, my boyfriend. Is the power still off? Yes, babe, it is. I'm using 5G now. Using 5G now, so that's a good thing. Don't leave, it's thick everywhere. Do you have a fire pit? No. One of my friends, she just had a baby and she's so worried about me. It's so cute. But she was like, don't leave. This I promise I'm not going nowhere. But My brother wants to go nowhere. Go on a walk. I'm definitely down to go on a walk. I wish I had some gloves though, I'm not gonna lie to you. But I'll be in Florida for quite a bit, so you're gonna see some vlogs of me and my boyfriend chilling and just being stupid, honestly. But I don't know. I was like, who is this emailing me? Job opportunity just said they can't get me. Cool. Somebody just said, hey, good morning, how are you, horrible? Let me stop playing, because it could be worse. Let me stop playing. Let me stop, for real. But yeah, we're just, I'm guessing my brother's about to come out here. I'm gonna tell him I'm already outside to walk, if you want to. But I'll be there for a minute. He just got his first apartment. I'm so proud of him and everything. You know, being in the Navy, it kind of helped him as well. But yeah, I can't complain. Like, people ask me that question like all the time, like, how do y'all do long distance? Because obviously I'm here in Houston and he's in Jacksonville, Florida. And people are like, how do you do that? How do you? And I'm like, I mean, I didn't really have an option. Like, maybe I'm gonna do, you know what? That's gonna be a vlog. That's gonna be something I do. I'm gonna have him sit down with me. We're gonna get to do like a how did y'all meet, how did y'all, all that thing. That'll be cute. But yeah, we met and he was already like enlisted. Yeah, that's the word. let me be correct. But we met and he was already enlisted in the Navy. And I'm not gonna cry. But when I met him, I just knew he was like gonna be my husband type of thing. And that's crazy because it was like certain things we both knew. We could feel it. So, but yeah, so it was kind of like I'm not going to whatever. And like, of course things get rocky. Like I'm not gonna say we don't argue and all that stuff and I don't cry and things, because there are a lot of nights of arguing, lots of nights of crying and things like that, but that's a normal relationship. But one thing I will say, and I don't mean this in a bad way, but it gives you time to miss each other. Like, I see like my other friends and stuff, they're with their boyfriends 24/7, they live with their boyfriend, they eat with their boyfriend, they sleep, like all that stuff, right? And I'm not, like I said, not saying anything bad about that. I hope y'all can hear me over there. Not saying anything bad about that, but sometimes I tell them like, stop, like don't stay the night over there tonight, or don't do this or don't do that, because it gives you time to be missed. I feel like when you're missed more, you have more time, like enjoy, because you cherish the time that y'all have together. I'll put it that way. Y'all cherish time. I am breaking out, y'all. Like, all right here, my face is already naturally dry, and y'all see the weather. But I feel like it gives you time to miss each other. I feel like it definitely gives you time to miss each other. So then when y'all see each other, it's more like you cherish stuff. Like, I want to say for the first 2 years of our relationship, or maybe like a year and 9 months, a year and 10 months, something like that, we did not have any type of like full-blown arguments, fights, or anything like that in person until like a year and 10 months. Did we bicker in person? Yes. Did we have like disagreements, or like this stuff that happened and one of us mad, we don't want to talk to the other person and stuff like that? Yeah, definitely. But we had not had your, you know, typical, I'm gonna say in each other's face, but you know, face-to-face argument, or face-to-face trying to talk and things like that. And I'll tell you now, me and my boyfriend have had 3 major fights, and they have all been I'll put it this way, the first 2 weren't major, it was just misunderstanding, which we were both mad, we just didn't want to talk about, so it kind of turned into a argument type of thing. But we've been in 1 major argument in person, so those 3 have definitely been like, you know, I won't say eye-openers, but it was like I definitely argued with people a lot quicker than what I've argued with him with and stuff like that. And it looks like he got his big jacket on. He's smart. Why ain't think of that? He getting in the car. He's over here messing with the Where you get the big jacket from? That's one for Chicago? Where are they at? Oh, mine not. You can boy, just get in here. Oh, nah, man. I gotta go change shoes. I got on the wrong shoes. No, I didn't put my Timbs on as if it's not snowing outside. What?
Be cold.
I mean, I got 2 pairs of socks on in my Crocs. My foot's
Me too.
Oh, well, my
That
feet
was
are
sock
pretty warm.
with the Croc. I feel you.
My feet are warm.
I had my Uggs on earlier.
Yeah, I saw him at the door. Saw him at the door. Here goes somebody else. I don't know who this is. This truck right here. Yeah, no, he ain't ashy.
That a bitch.
He has a very ashy. But
Look like, what's his name? It look like the wrong truck. Nah, I ain't Jerome.
no, it's not Jerome. They came from over here.
Ooh!
Whoa!
Slippery on him,
I
dog.
wish I was recording that for y'all. I wish I was recording that for y'all. He just
He spawned too when he was moving.
well, I was watching this
They
morning.
can go somewhere.
This morning, I don't know who. I think it was the Jeep that was driving through here. First car I saw leave. I'm watching them drive, and they're driving. They're going at night speed. Yeah, they're going at night. It'll come back. They just left again. It'll come back through here. But you're watching their tires. Their tires are definitely doing more rotations than they are driving.
Yeah.
But I wish I was recording that for y'all because he definitely just. What would that be called? Like a little tail whip. Like a little tail whip type thing. If a car was there, he definitely would have hit it.
Definitely.
He definitely would have hit it. 100% would have hit it. But.
Turn on Tokyo Drift, try to drive. Ding, 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 ding. That shit. Move your car.
No. You gonna go out in your little Kia? Your little Kia Forte? Yeah, that's all you gonna do. You gonna slide down the damn driveway.
Hit the brakes. And
You're gonna slide down.
Hit the brakes.
That's why I don't understand how people are even getting out their driveways. These have to be people that's parked on the side of the road. No?
Put that bitch in neutral.
Man.
Let it roll.
I showed y'all how slippery the damn drive. The grass is fine, but I showed y'all how slippery the damn driveway is. That shit would roll. Yeah, my park brake's still on. Don't ask me. I put it on this morning. That's not gonna stop shit.
Park brake?
That's not gonna stop shit.
Yeah.
It's gonna just keep going. Yeah. Don't ask me.
Concrete on it.
Just go another one.
Ford Fiesta. Not supposed to.
It's another car that came through here.
They stopping on the loop. They said, hell no. They might just be looking.
I don't know what they doing.
Motherfuckers tires. Oh, he got 4-wheel?
No. Yeah, you do.
Yeah, he do.
Sure do got 4
And a
wheel.
Focus? Oh, that's one of them probably.
I don't know.
SE.
They driving kind of quick though.
Kind of Focus you driving, my nigga? Yeah, it's an SE.
That I didn't almost. Well, I won't say I almost cussed them out, but it was a what's it called? Like a I don't know what. It'll probably come back through here because they live down there. I just know that. But there was like a car a little smaller than mine. I mean, I came through here 20 miles per hour.
Jeep?
No, not the Jeep. It was a regular. It was a
Car like this?
crossover type thing, but it wasn't the Jeep. No, it's not the Jeep. No, it's not the Jeep. It's a different car.
Subaru.
What color?
White.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Came through with 20 miles per hour, and I'm sitting here looking at them like,
Subaru got
Y'all
5 out
crazy.
of 5 stars on their crash testing, so let them do what they want.
this nigga said crash if you want to.
They got 5 out of 5 stars? Shit,
He said
really?
crash if you want to.
I'm dead ass about
Here come my mama.
I'm really about to go.
What's she chewing on? Come on, we gonna walk that car a lot.
I'm talking about the Traverse. I wasn't talking about
That's the car that is.
Yeah.
That Traverse is the one that's been going.
They got 4-wheel, so they chilling.
Yeah, I don't have 4 wheels. I
Yeah.
wish I could. Damn, it's not gonna focus for you
It
guys
depends on
when
what
it
type
comes
of
through
tread.
here.
He look like
Here
he
you
know
go,
what
a
kind of
little
car
bit.
he drive, cause his tread looking.
I wish I could show y'all like. If y'all look at the wheels on some of these cars, you can tell, you can see them. You know,
How
not so
wide
much
are
spinning out. Terry's car keep charging when it's off, right? He said, pour some hot water.
Don't do that, y'all, please.
Yeah.
It'll turn into ice.
This probably won't be even uploaded until I get to
It'll turn into ice.
Yeah. Some dumb me still do it though. Hold on, why we not in the car with the heated seats? With the heated seats. What you doing?
Get out my face with that camera.
Hey, give me one. I left mine upstairs. I want the red one.
Let me get the yellow one.
God damn, then what I'ma have?
You ate them, didn't you?
You gonna have children. Thank you.
I said the red. Thanks.
Yellow.
Ha.
Okay.
What y'all get on my name?
But yeah, so
Nothing for y'all.
oh, I left my stand. Oh, now let me get it. Here, go ahead, take over.
I was about to charge something up. I'm gonna take over.
Oh, where's my
The white charger back there, Kayla.
Okay, still on 1%. Oh no. I'm about to fight here.
what charger? Phone charger?
Mm-hmm.
How you say it's back there and you charge it?
Charge while the car house.
Y'all thought it was
I
charging?
plugged it in when I came in here the first time.
Yeah, I don't think it's charged because this thing was funny.
I know mine don't do that.
I think that's a USB-C, Carlo.
Which one? Let me see. Cause so I'm gonna go grab my iPad.
I don't know. Anybody got a regular USB-A in here? Why you unplugging his maps? Plug his maps back in.
Yeah, put that back in.
That's his maps.
That's a GPS and stuff. That's all his information for the car.
Lord, man, he can't go nowhere now.
Just go tell him turn right. He gonna be in the ocean.
Yeah, so you don't know what to do anyway. Oh,
It do look like a.
It do look like USB-C, right?
I mean,
hold on, let me see if it work with this piece before you go up there.
no, yes, no. Okay, I'm gonna go grab it real quick to see.
Kayla,
Huh?
bring my coat out that closet up there.
Lord.
That big green coat.
You gonna walk?
What you need your big green coat for?
Phone's in the car, but don't fall, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. All right, so I've been trying to, like I was telling y'all, my door didn't close. My iPad. So I'm gonna go upstairs and get my charger, and hopefully it works. Hell, hopefully I got something downloaded. Not hopefully it works. That's what I should be saying. Okay. What did mom say she wanted? Her jacket? Yeah, it is. Ooh. I'm out of breath. What? I hate myself. I just did that and tried to turn the light on. Dang. Where's my jacket at? Yeah. But hopefully this works. And I didn't catch my breath. What you reaching for?
No, give me my candy back.
Okay, I'll give you your red bit.
Oh, that was just one, wasn't it?
Man. Okay.
I'll keep the car warm for you.
I know you're gonna reach back here.
No, I'm not.
This man salting his driveway like he got somewhere to go.
You might.
All right. Over here.
Oh, I didn't get no Skittles. That's kind of sad.
I didn't grab Skittles.
First one to slip.
You're not gonna slip in them. Oh, come on.
Come on, I'm in everything. Joe was gliding.
Who? Oh.
You going in that?
I can't find my jacket. I'm telling you where it's at. It's in the closet upstairs. Nah.
You don't want to double up.
I probably should. Damn. I was just up there.
You got 20 seconds. You gotta chill out. hand was cold by the time you make it.
I know. Okay. My hand is definitely. Dang. Oh, that was a good idea. Guess how red they got. Ooh, dang. Okay. Trying to find a jacket that will fit over this. That's really the key. I don't know if you need, but coming from inside to outside feels the same. Like there's no temperature difference at all. At all. This is probably the best I got. I wish I had my long one, cause I wasn't cold in Chicago at all. And we was walking the streets, and I think it's because of the type of jacket I had. Thick, long to my knees. Just zipped it up. I was ready to go. Like, this is crazy. Like, come stick your foot in here because you got a bigger foot. Like, stick it as deep as you can. Over here, though, because this I think is deeper right here. Dang. Okay, you ready?
Ah, she just messed up my shot.
What'd I do?
You messed up my shot.
How? I can walk backwards. Oh, you were walking. My bad. My bad. Oh, about to fall.
The save, though. The save. The save was everything.
Alright, which way are we going? Oh, shit.
Shit, I don't feel like walking up again. It ain't much nowhere to go but
up.
So let's go up again.
Okay. Niggas better walk on the street or on the sidewalk. Nah, I'm walking grass.
My fingers already feel gone.
My hand is freezing. Yeah, let me let y'all go by for y'all to end up on the sidewalk. The people driving. Dang. He said his boxers. TJ's aunt made fun of me for wanting this jacket. Cause she said, y'all don't get cold like that down there. She said, but I'll dry it for you. I'll buy it for you. Thanks. I'm definitely warm in this. I can't need to switch hands. I was just gonna go straight.
Cross the street. Don't snap on no ice.
Making my way downtown. Walking fast. You can see where it's starting to melt. That's sidewalk, straight sidewalk.
Gotta kill a motherfucker.
Straight sidewalk.
Walking in the grass and you talking about.
I know, I said I was gonna do that, huh? But yeah, I saw that black family walking through here earlier. And then mama took that corner. She almost busted everything. She turned around so quick, said, I'm going home. It feels like one side got more snow than the other. Like, you see how their grass is not covered? That's what I was thinking too, like the wind. I know that's all ice. Warm. Yeah, I'm switching hands again. Ooh. I think his birthday was yesterday though.
No, it was when I went to the shop.
Oh.
Yeah, I told him
2 days ago. That's definitely gonna be messed up.
Well,
You might as well throw it away. Huh? They care about their plants over there. Listen, let me write this poem. Honestly, that's what I was thinking too. And then you know what I was thinking? How you always made fun of mom and dad for having gloves before where we didn't want no gloves. Now I want some gloves.
To be bundled up like a baby.
This is the age.
Bundled up like a baby.
I feel like we saw a sign in here. Somebody was walking. Hit that ice. Just said, let me walk somewhere else. Let me walk somewhere else. Nah, for real. Side step. Don't walk straight, you gotta side step. No, I don't. Dang! Is that deep? Jesus.
Should've got the mail to you, son.
That is,
You going on a mission with no objective.
man, that was almost it. Hold on. Oh, they have a dog out here. Look. Okay, back in the grass. Oh, hey, this stuff. This is deep. Whole ant's probably frozen to death. But yeah, I feel like this side not as cold. Yeah, the house is getting we getting blocked by the wind.
You turn that corner, it's gonna hit you.
I'm walking behind him because he got the better shoes on for this. So if I see him slip, I know I'm gonna fall. But you can kind of tell where the ice is. I was walking, listen, I was walking in the middle over there. Side step. Okay. Hey, but you know what happened every time I got a flashback to San Antonio. And I slid down the driveway. Just was having fun, so I busted my ass. Huh? No, that's what that look like.
Step on the footprint.
Ooh, that was deep. Yeah. Stupid. You over here kicking it, talking about, ooh, the wind blowing. See? Like, but it's flooding like this, I don't like that.
Hey, it's
It's all frozen.
They snowboarding at the station.
I saw. Did you see how deep it was in Fort Worth yesterday? And they kept getting it last night. I know they up to their ankles. Alright, we need to change hands. That hurts.
I'm in the grass the whole time.
Yeah. Where are we going? This too wait for the truck to pass this patch of ice right here.
Huh?
Wait for the truck to pass that patch of ice right there. He played that off real smooth, y'all. He turned around. He said, but if anything. On the turn, yeah.
Everybody just got tired of them. Probably like 30.
Getting that air put back in, yeah. What the hell going on right here? Oh.
Slippery as hell.
Oh, yeah. Regular sidewalk. That's nice. Man, what's up? Walk a mile. This man It don't make no sense. I know it's a lap. You talking about this side? Someone's a mile on this side? Man, that's a lot. And this, I can't feel my hands already going back and forth with this kid. He said me the kind of, but fuck it.
I would do that one.
That's also gonna walk in there. Oh my gosh. Nope. He got through it. Nathan's tones was definitely perfect because they definitely was about to go. They started going. They said, whoa, 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 whoa. They stopped all the way. It's like they thought about it. Like, maybe I should just turn around. That's a snow angel snow. I mean, ain't no ice right there. That's right back there. Like you said, they driving on top of it, so they didn't put it down. So especially right here, this turn. You see it starting to melt.
Just in case some shit happens, somebody should have called it.
TJ was telling me just use salt. Epsom salt. Yeah, that's what he's telling me. We went outside in the car the first time. They just get some Epsom salt. There's nothing. No ice, nothing. Huh?
That would probably do it.
Yeah. Anyways, this way. Making my way downtown, walking fast. Right? I can walk and I don't have to worry about it. And the only thing cold is my hands and my lips. I did too. That's why they cold. It's like it's trying to freeze on my lips. Oh man. Y'all can tell we had traumatic experiences from walking on ice. Because most people would have just kept walking and took the risk. But we are literally we literally skating and sliding like, alright. Ooh. See? You're stupid. Look, and they probably in the car thinking the same thing about us. Like, why are y'all walking? Grass. There's so much ice now. That's the sidewalk of death. That right there is something dangerous. You got this little piece of concrete, and you think, oh, okay, cool. But even if you, hell no, hell no. Who?
Just when you get back to park and start sliding.
Yeah. That's what I mean. Like, I don't understand how people are leaving if they're in their driveways.
They might have blocks, like
Maybe. The way he stuck his foot in it. But
I got a message about 20 minutes.
you don't want to check it. this shit to a game show, y'all. We got our next runner up. Let's see what they gonna do, though. That's the question. Y'all just falling all over the place. Oh, they made it through pretty quick, pretty easy. Look, I saw you stop. He went over that ice patch. He stopped real quick.
I think he started spinning.
Telling you. I'm telling you. Making my way downtown.
I got the pressure sleeve on the right leg. Slipped.
Oh,
It's
man.
gonna stay out.
He said it's gonna stay down now. What's these big chunks of ice do? Man, 'cause once you start sliding, you ain't stopping. You'll slide all the way to the road. Oh, shit. I made it, though. I made it. Oh, hell no. Hell no. Damn, y'all dying right now.